This exhaust is from a good friends at Tegiwa, and it is a Milltek.
That's nice.
That is nice.
Oh, look at these.
Oh, you've got fresh everything.
They're nice.
Oh, it's going to look so shiny. That does look good.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is really nice.
What does it say? Milltek, something, 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 made in England. We like that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Good job, Milltek. And thank you, Tegiwa. What else do we have, Taylor? Oh, we have one exhaust. That's nice.
And 2 exhaust.
I cannot wait to hear the difference.
This is good quality stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. All right, so the Milltek exhaust has been installed. We just need to tighten up a few bolts and just get all of this set nicely. And then jobs are good. Quite an easy install. The only difficulty really was the all the all the rust on the nuts and bolts and whatnot.
Oh, that's nice.
That is a nice deep burble. Oh. That's good, that. Under load, that's going to sound excellent. Yeah. That's much more like it.
That is nice.
Oh, that exhaust does sound good though, doesn't it?
It's really nice. It gives a really nice amount of sound. It's not too loud, not too quiet.
Yeah. We are in 3rd gear, just about. Getting into VTEC. Now we're in VTEC. Oh! That's good.
Nice. This is nice.
Oh, we like that.
You don't even have to give it much joie de vivre for the back end.
Oh, there we go.